So, welcome for the second dyno run. This time we have the Monza barrel with the original delivered Monster head as well. So we put off the Chimera head. So let's see what the power output with the otherwise plug and play barrel is now. So I will start the engine. Please watch the volume from your phone. So, as you can see, just the head changes have been a difference in 2.2 horsepower, and that is accordingly my measuring. The Chimera head has a volume of 23.5 milliliters, while the Monza is coming with 19.5 milliliters. So you will have a higher compression, and with that only you put 2 horsepower on the back wheel. So a plug and play engine for almost 30 horsepower on the 30mm carburetor. Not too bad. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like.